Got another 2002 International 2674 here, owned by the U.S. Forest Service from new, operated in California. Zero rust truck. Still in the Forest Service livery. You can see the clear coat is coming off, and you can see where the paint has faded where the decal was. These are all trucks are all spec the same. 14.6 front, double frame, 40K rear axles, but 46K Hendrickson HAS air suspension, which is a heavy-duty air suspension, sort of designed for on and off-road. I think the Forest Service specs it heavier than the axles for added stability off-road. Lowboy ramps, has axle interlock, and then also the rear differential is a full locker. Headboard. Nice clean interior. Driver's seat has been upgraded. 13-speed transmission. Good old Caterpillar C12, rated at 430 horse. This truck's got 132,959 miles original and 5,026 engine hours. 3-position engine brake, cruise of course, heated mirrors, power passenger mirror. There's the control for the locking diff. Go ahead and start it up. Air blows cold in this truck, by the way.